Now children, study of trend of atomic properties, physical properties and some chemical properties also in 13th group or boron family. Right? First element is boron, then aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Study of atomic size, ionization enthalpy, melting point. Right? Collectively, which are known as atomic and physical properties. Children, what is the common trend of atomic radius in S block? On moving down the group, atomic radius increases due to increase in number of shells. Right? Different elements are placed in different periods, and different periods means different number of shells. But in 13 group, irregular trend of atomic radii or atomic size is observed. Atomic size first increases from boron to aluminium, then decreases for which element? Gallium. After gallium, then indium and thallium. Further increase in atomic radius is observed. First atomic radius increases, then decreases and then increases. Why? Children, period number of boron is second. Period number of aluminium is third. 3 orbits are present. In boron, 1 and 2. 2, 3 electrons. In aluminium, 1, 2, 3. Right? But gallium is placed in which period? Fourth period. Okay, and before gallium, which elements are placed? D block elements are placed. Heavy metals are placed. From scandium to zinc, total 10 elements are placed. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. From 3rd group to 12th group. 13th group is boron family. Then what is the effect of d electrons? What is the effect of d electrons of d block elements in 3D series? This series is 3D series. Due to the presence of d electrons in 3D series, they form imperfect screen for which element? Gallium. Right? And this imperfect screen increases effective nuclear charge, the force of attraction between nucleus and valence electrons. And this increasing effective nuclear charge decreases the radius of gallium atom. Right? This is the only reason. Why? Due to screening or shielding effect. Screen, formation of screen like this. By which electrons? D electrons for outer electrons. This is called imperfect screen. Right? Because effective nuclear charge increases between valence electrons and protons, which decreases atomic radius. Okay. Now after gallium, regular trend increase in atomic radius. Now next property is ionization energy. Ionization energy is endothermic process, right? Some amount of heat energy is required. Change in enthalpy is always positive, for which process? Ionization enthalpy or potential. And IE depends on atomic radii, right? What is the trend of ionization enthalpy? Irregular. Same trend. Deviation. In IE, first increase in atomic size, is decrease in ionization energy. This is regular. Regular trend is on moving down the group, ionization energy always decreases, right? But after aluminum increase in IE, high amount of energy is required to remove valence electrons in which atom? Gallium. Because size of gallium is smaller than aluminum, right? First IE decreases from boron to aluminum, that decreases. First IE decreases from boron to aluminum, then increases, and after gallium, indium and thallium. IE decreases because atomic size increases. Trend is irregular. Trend is irregular, right? Or deviation. Deviation in atomic radii and deviation in ionization energy. Now, next is melting point. Melting point, again irregular trend. Melting point first decreases from boron to gallium and after gallium increases. Which element shows minimum melting point? Gallium. Melting point of gallium is very low, right? Next is metallic character. Metallic character increases, right? Boron is typical non-metal. Okay, children? Now next one, chemical properties, oxidation state. Oxidation state of 13 group elements. Oxidation state, right? Valence shell configuration is Ns2 and P1. 3 valence electrons are present in different subshells, right? Group oxidation state is +3. When all electrons are removed, when only P electron is removed, oxidation state is +1. Okay, children? But what is the trend? Like atomic and physical properties, what is the trend of oxidation state? On moving down the group from boron to thallium, stability of +1, oxidation state increases. Compounds of indium and thallium are more stable in which oxidation state? +1. Then +3. What is the reason? Inert pair effect. Inert. Okay, children? Inert pair. Inner electrons are inert. S electrons are inert. Right? In chemical reactions. Okay? Then this effect is called inert pair effect. Removal of P electron is easier than S electrons. This effect is called inert pair effect. Right? This state +1 oxidation state is more stable for lower heavier elements or for bottommost elements, and +3 is stable for upper elements like boron and aluminum. Compound of boron is BF3, right? Not BF. BF means +1 oxidation state. Okay, children? Compound of aluminum AlCl3. Oxidation state of aluminum is +3, boron is +3, right? But halide